If you are a beginner and you don't know how to make sentence in French, this video is for you. Bonjour mes amis. In this video, you learn how to make sentence in French, step by step. This is the best technique ever. We only need 2 words to make an advanced sentence. In the first step, we just have il ronfle, does he snore, subject plus verb. Second step, we add an adverb of time, encore. Il ronfle encore. Is he still snoring? In the step 3, we add an adverb of manner. Il ronfle encore fort. Is he still snoring loudly? Adverb of manner, fort. In the step 4, il ronfle encore fort dans le salon. Is he still snoring loudly in the living room? Adverb of place, salon. In the step 5, we add a reason. Il ronfle encore fort dans le salon parce qu'il est épuisé. Il ronfle encore fort dans le salon parce qu'il est épuisé. Is he still snoring loudly in the living room because he's exhausted? Our reason is il est épuisé. Now it's your turn, mes amis. Make a sentence for every step. Elle bouquine. Is she reading? Subject plus verb. In the second step, we add an adverb of frequency, souvent. Elle bouquine souvent. Does she read often? Elle bouquine souvent le soir. Does she often read in the evening? Adverb of time, le soir. In the step 4, elle bouquine souvent le soir dans sa chambre. Does she often read in her room in the evening? Adverb of place, sa chambre. And in the step 5, we add a reason. Elle bouquine souvent le soir dans sa chambre pour se détendre. Does she often read a book in her room in the evening to relax? Now it's your turn, mes amis. Make a sentence for every step. Tu traînes. Are you hanging around? Subject plus verb. In the step 2, tu traînes encore. Are you still hanging around? We add an adverb of time, encore. In the step 3, tu traînes encore au lit. Are you still lying in bed? Adverb of place, lit. In the step 4, tu traînes encore au lit ce matin. Are you still lying in bed this morning? Adverb of time, ce matin. And in the step 5, tu traînes encore au lit ce matin parce que t'as pas cours. Are you still lying in bed this morning because you don't have class? Reason, tu n'as pas cours. It's your turn, mes amis. Make a sentence for every step. And another 2 words. Vous galérez. Are you struggling? Are you struggling? Subject plus verb. Vous galérez encore? Vous galérez encore? Are you still struggling? Adverb of time. Encore. Vous galérez encore avec ce projet? Vous galérez encore avec ce projet? Are you still struggling with this project? We add complément. Complément ce projet. Vous galérez encore avec ce projet depuis lundi? Vous galérez encore avec ce projet depuis lundi? Are you still struggling with this project since Monday? Adverb of time. Depuis lundi. In the step 5. Vous galérez encore avec ce projet depuis lundi parce qu'il est mal expliqué. Vous galérez encore avec ce projet depuis lundi parce qu'il est mal expliqué. Are you still struggling with this project since Monday because it's poorly explained? Reason. We add a reason. It's your turn, mes amis. Make a sentence for every step with vous galérez. Tu t'es planté? Tu t'es planté? Did you mess up? Did you mess up? Subject plus verb. Tu t'es encore planté? Tu t'es encore planté? Did you mess up again? Adverb of time. Encore. Tu t'es encore planté à l'examen? Tu t'es encore planté à l'examen? Did you fail the exam again? Adverb of place. Exam. Tu t'es encore planté à l'examen de maths? Tu t'es encore planté à l'examen de maths? Did you fail the math exam again? Complément. Math. In the step 5. Tu t'es encore planté à l'examen de maths parce que t'as pas révisé. Tu t'es encore planté à l'examen de maths parce que t'as pas révisé. Did you fail the math exam again because you didn't study? Reason. We add a reason. It's your turn, mes amis. Make a sentence for every step. If you like this video, please like and share this video for your friends who wants to learn French. And let me know in the comment which of this sentence is new for you. Thanks for watching, mes amis.